Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need both SIMs active and able to receive SMS verification. Insert them now and confirm network bars. Once done, back up your existing WhatsApp chats to avoid data loss, then decide which number you'll register first. This matters because WhatsApp ties the account to a single number. Make sure your phone's OS supports dual SIM features and enable mobile data on the SIM you'll verify so the 6-digit code arrives without delay. You'll register the first number in WhatsApp as usual. Open the app, enter the chosen number, and input the SMS 6-digit code when it arrives. After verification, grant contacts and storage permissions so messages and backups restore correctly. Restore the backup if prompted to preserve chat history. If you plan to run both numbers on one device, enable the phone's dual apps, App Twin, or Clone Apps feature now so you can install a second WhatsApp instance to use the second SIM, install WhatsApp Business, or use the cloned app created by your phone. This lets you run a separate WhatsApp account simultaneously. Register the second number, receive the SMS or call verification, and complete setup. Restore its backup if you have one. Make sure notifications and background data are allowed for both apps so messages arrive. If verification fails, check SMS routing. Enable the correct SIM for SMS in settings and reboot the phone. That usually resolves signal or routing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.